Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Patricio Walter Aloysius Torre with the student number 2510110600079. And in this video, I will be talking about computers logic. That's about it. Let's go. So, what is the definition of computers logic? Computers logic is the system of rules and principles used in designing and operating computers, from fundamental logic gates that perform basic operations to complex algorithms and computational logic that govern a computer's behavior. Now, for the logic gates and their function. First of all, I will be talking about AND gate. So, the AND gate gives an output of logic 1 only when all of its inputs are 1. If any of its input are 0, the output becomes 0. In Boolean expression, this is written as x is equal to a times b. So, it works like a condition saying both a and b must be true. Now, for the part 2, OR gate. The OR gate gives an output of logic 1 when one or more of its inputs are 1. If all inputs are 0, then the output is 0. The Boolean equation is x is equals to a plus b. So, it represents a logical either a or b situation. Okay, for the part 3, NAND gate. The NAND gate is the opposite of AND gate. It gives an output of 0 only when all inputs are 1. In all other cases, the output is 1. Its Boolean expression is x, which means a times b xn, which mean not n. And gates are very important because they can be used to create any other logic gate. Now, for the part 4 is NOR gate. The NOR gate is the opposite of OR gate. It outputs 1 only when all inputs are 0. If any other input is 1, the output becomes 0. In Boolean form, it's written as x is equal to a plus b xn, meaning not all. Okay, now for the XOR gate. XOR gate or exclusive OR gives an output only 1 when one input is different from the other. If both inputs are the same, the output becomes 0. The Boolean equation is x is equal to a circle plus b. Think of it like saying either a or b, but not both. Now for the part 6, the XNOR gate. The XNOR gate is the inverse of XOR. It gives an output of 1 only when both inputs are the same. Either both 0 or both 1. The Boolean expression is x is equals to a circle plus b accent. That's why it's also called the equivalence gate. For the last part, it's NOT gate. Finally, the NOT gate, also known as the inverter, has only one input and one output. It simply reverses of the input signal. If the input is 0, the output is 1. And if the input is 1, the output is 0. The Boolean expression is x is equal to a accent. The simple gate is very powerful because it changes the state of any signal. So that's about it. Please leave a comment, like, and share. Maybe subscribe to my channel. Thank you.